Becoming successful is impossible if you don't have vision for where you're going or like what you're trying to do. Because there's a lot of people that's out here, and I was one of them. Like, I was not motivated at all to do anything, and it's because I lack vision and clarity. So now I realize that with me having clarity and vision, it gives me more energy. And it not also let me break down what vision also do for you. Like, it not only give you clarity and more energy, it eliminate excuses. Like, the more vision and clarity you have, the less excuse you'll have to do what you want to do. And to even add more to that, the less excuse you have, the more you're more careful of what you entertain. It's like you have this focus, this laser focus, this tunnel vision of what you're trying to achieve, and that's what vision does. And the endurance that you get from that, it's like unstoppable. So in life, it's not that people don't know, they don't, you're confused and you're frustrated and you're depressed because you don't have vision and you don't have clarity. And the best thing that you could ever do to fix that is get a notebook and just write down what you want to do. And then write down, put a circle, write identity, and then put a circle around it. And then put a bunch of words around identity of what you want your character to be like. You get what I'm saying? And then if you're not that person right now, work on yourself until you become that person, that identity. And then make sure you write down your vision, your goals, and your dreams so you have clarity. Writing it down is what's going to give you clarity so you can organize your mind. And I believe a lot of people, the reason why they're not getting anywhere is because they lack clarity and vision. They might have vision, but they might not have clarity. So clarity is very important because you need that to be able to organize. And if this video helped, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and check out my music. Like I say, write down whatever it is you want to do. There's something magical that happens when you just write down things. I don't know how to explain it. It's just magical. I can't make this up. I'm sure you've heard this before. Write it down. Check the description. Check out my music channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.